Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We are back with another K-pop reaction for you here today, and we cannot stay away from this group. So we're back with EXO.
I refuse.
Yeah, we are back with EXO live as well. We were so monumentally blown away last time that we can't help ourselves. We know we need to get to a guide.
We tried. We were gonna.
We will very soon be doing a guide. But having realised
it's an hour long.
The simple one is an hour long.
Yeah.
And then the ones that everyone's recommending are half an hour per member.
And then we couldn't decide whether to do the concept ones or the member ones, and it all just got a bit.
Yeah. So we thought we'll push that boat out a little bit further. Push the boat out is not the right term here. We'll push that back a little bit further.
Yeah. And just react to more
and
live.
React to more live music.
Just consume.
So berate us in the comments should you see fit. But also please enjoy. This is EXO, White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love, and we are along for the ride.
Let's go. That's late.
Yeah. I think we're past the
just shouting out people's names. Fine. Fine. If that's where we're at.
We don't know any of these songs, do we?
No. I'm just gonna get closer to the screen.
Nice.
Excuse me. Look at the sexiness.
Never not had it.
Look at the angle. It's so nice to know who each member is.
Yeah. Look at the show they put on.
I know.
Look at it. It's incredible.
I'm never gonna get to see it. Like literally, it's what 50 seconds in. I'm already sad.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm already like.
Okay. I did that to you by pausing.
Yes.
I shall do my best to resist.
There is.
Well, slight technical snafu there. Temporary loss of internet meant that we lost track of the boys for just a moment. But we're back. We're back. We're ready. I don't think we've missed anything.
Nope.
So let's continue with EXO Live.
Let's go.
Oh yes.
Oh yes. They all look so happy. Like they're having fun.
Just pause for a moment. See if we can get some of our pixels back.
Yeah. I want that HD.
That's better. The fight, the rhythm of this song is like throwing me a little bit. It's like the beat of it is like got a little bit of a drag in it. like it's just super interesting and like just
that's a musician in you.
Yeah.
I can't the
music.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just happens under the singing for you. But just I cannot escape how effortless it seems to them and how perfect it sounds.
Yeah.
Like particularly the like the main vocals. So Chen, Dio, and Baekhyun.
Yeah.
Just the three of them when they're just passing a verse or a chorus round each other. It's just unbelievable, and they'll just float up there and float back down and around, like always perfect, always completely fine, doing whatever they want.
Chanyeol is my bias wrecker.
Yeah?
Literally, he comes on and it just makes me happy.
Right. Your declared bias is Dio.
Yeah, it's just so adorable.
Yeah.
I want to squidge him.
Yeah.
And just...
Yeah.
But
my bias is sober Saiyan, and my bias wrecker is drunk Saiyan.
Have you encountered drunk Saiyan?
Constantly.
When?
In videos, I see him having a drink.
Yeah, but I don't think he's actually drunk.
Yeah, that's it. But that's it. And then I'm wrecked. I think, okay, this is the one that I love, and then he has a drink, and it's just a different person altogether.
Which think he is here?
This is my niece wants me to dab. Saying.
Look at Theo.
Yeah, same.
Just over there.
Yeah, that's it.
잡을 수가 없어도 잠시 전 소던 내 곁에 없어도 내 안에 있어 눈을 감고서
Live.
Always know where the camera is.
Yeah.
I love him. Alright, Kai.
I mean,
alright.
Does he know it or what?
He knows it.
Oh.
Look at him. How you doing?
He knows.
He knows.
He knows what you're doing.
Oh! We paused it too soon. We had to be subject to that twice because of the pausing. Oh, hey. Hey. Oh.
Oh, I wonder, do people ship these two?
Oh, do they?
I don't know.
Oh, tell us.
The crowd really liked this. So we just go R&B.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's just do that then.
Yeah.
Let's just do that. Let's do another thing that they're awesome at. I'm starting to love Chanyeol a lot.
He waved. Did you just go back a little bit? He waved.
I believe you. But Chanyeol just looked like he was on his own page.
Oh no!
So yeah, just do a spin.
Kai, man.
His shirt's ripped as well.
I know. They're all a little bit ripped, but his just seems to be a little bit more ripped.
Was that Kai reacting to Dio's vocals there?
Maybe. Or was he... Yeah. Lay,
sir.
Lay, we don't have much of a...
We haven't got that kind of relationship.
No, yeah. Oh.
That was aggressive.
Yeah.
Oh.
Lay, can you please?
Right, is it?
I can't do this.
Is it too cheap to have Kai as a bias wrecker?
I think he's like Hyunjin.
I was going to say, for anyone who's watched our Stray Kids content, which is about 4 of you, they don't do very well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have this theory that Hyunjin is a beyond bias status. That it's just, like you don't declare him as a bias because it's too obvious.
Yeah.
I'm thinking like Kai is like the uber version of that.
Well, he's the idol of idols.
Yeah,
isn't
the
he?
idol of idols. Yeah. But it's so clear why that is.
Well, yeah.
Like, it's
ridiculous.
Yeah. Like, I have never seen someone embody the word charisma that much.
I know. Literally, he just works it.
It is unbelievable the amount of charm that comes off that guy. Yeah, but like even that, like
it's not enough.
Yeah, it feels like it feels like it just is him.
Yeah. Jeez. Look.
Nice.
Hey. I got a bit much.
I don't know what you're supposed to do. Just help.
I changed my mind. I don't think I could.
What?
See them live.
You could see them live?
No, I'll be a puddle. Literally, I'll be sitting there like this.
Yeah,
I think if I saw them live, I'll just be
just clinging onto your light stick for dear life.
Don't look my way. I don't.
Oh, what's the EXO light stick? Oh, is it their logo? Is
yes,
it?
their logo with it.
Yeah,
I want it, obviously.
Yeah.
There are so many light sticks I want. Oh my god.
Yeah.
You won't let me. You won't let me.
It's the world won't let you. You can't get hold of them.
It's true.
It's okay. Sounds like pensioner. My nan is a pensioner.
Oh no, I can't not hear it. Oh,
come on, man! I did not know this about Lay.
That he's aggressive with the.
Is this a thing? Is this if we'd have watched the Lay guide first?
Yeah, would we
have understood?
Would this have been a thing?
Even pointed at the camera and said,
yeah, "Watch me."
So I've got something for you.
Harmonies in the back.
It's unbelievable.
Effortless.
You're right. Like, there's so much going on in the back of that. Like, so much they're just throwing away in backing vocals in terms of these like wonderful harmonies.
They're just walking around, interacting with the crowd, just doing their thing.
Try and bring yourself together. It's fine. It's fine. No one watches our EXO videos, so no one's noticed.
Oh no.
Oh no.
You broke me.
What's wrong? Is it just normal dancing?
Yeah.
Completely normal.
Oh, Johnny, we did! Oh, God. Don't tweak!
One more. It feels like everyone else is able to do all these roles where it looks like they've got, like, they can just control every muscle. He's got, like, 2 pivot points in his body. It's like, boom, 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 boom. It's like a lost giraffe. No, come on, lads.
God.
Come on.
Oh my God! No, I'm not returning it. No, you can't just flirt with me. He's flirting with me. I've got tears.
Oh, they got canes.
Jesus.
이게 나는 사랑이었다 믿어 현실적이지 않던 너지만 이유 없이 먼저 갔어 너를 갈망한 내 목마름 평면적인 너와 나의 관계 짜여있는 사랑용지 너의 한계 왜 그렇게 감겼고 불투명한 현실의 경계 She don't love me
Right.
순결해
Gotta be a lady.
Shimu was doing it too.
They have to check it's still there.
Can't trust this You got that 거짓 미소 거짓 눈물 거짓 사랑 그게 바로 너의
Oh,
Oh, we've got
dear.
some split screen going on. Just to make sure we know everyone's doing it.
Well, no, some of them were riding their canes, some of them were dancing with their canes.
Oh.
포기는 싫은 나 You wanna play me 내가 원하는 건 다 가진 너 완벽하게 설계된 차가운 Artificial love 자동이제 못한 진도 상처를 씹어내지 못할 감정들은 모래 위에 내면처럼 다시 타오르고
I feel like this should be a tap dancing bit.
Yeah.
The canes. Do you know what I mean? Oh. Just all the different styles as well, isn't it? I find Xiumin's stare a bit too intense, to be honest.
He goes for it.
Yeah. I feel like, you know, sometimes like they say like to look behind, like look just behind the camera or something, like look just behind people, like when you're making eye contact.
Yeah, so you don't freak him out.
Yeah. I feel like he's just like full force directly at your eyeballs.
Into your soul.
Yeah.
I don't mind it.
It's a powerful stare.
Nobody else was.
Oh dear. Laying on of hands.
Turn it up.
No, I'm going to take issue with this. Chanyeol said, yeah, turn it up.
Yeah.
And now we've gone into a quieter part of the song. I'm not happy with this.
No. Needed to unbutton.
Eating up in there.
I feel like they're tall.
Some of them are tall.
Oh yeah. I forgot.
Yeah. Yeah, the heights are not evenly distributed. Incredible. Whoa.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh.
Oh, you wouldn't, would you? Oh, I love it. Oh, it's incredible. Imagine the sensation of actually doing that. Takes the blindfold off and everyone's gone. Oh, come on.
God, man.
No, whoa, what happened?
You can't just
It can't just be
done.
done. What happened?
I don't know.
Can't just took his blindfold off and then he's gone.
EXO, Peter Pan in Japan.
Yeah, this is a different video. We're not gonna... Wow. So, EXO are good live. We are...
That's... I'm sorry.
It's so much better having got to know them a little bit better across the dance practice video and even that the fan made content as well.
So
the Everything We Missed. It was...
I feel like that was a different experience to the other live. The other one was like way more intense.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like it was way more performance. That seemed more like a concert, if that makes sense.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Like the sudden impact.
Yeah.
At the previous one, where it just like hit, and then it just kept hitting.
Yeah.
Whereas this one was much more like a showcase.
Yeah, more like audience, like flirty. I felt like I was being flirted with the entire time.
Yeah, and it did feel a lot more like a connected performance. Yeah, absolutely.
Can't.
Wow. Well, so what to say? What to say? I mean,
we love them. There is so much.
There is nothing we have found yet that is anything other than spectacular.
Yeah. Oh my
So,
God.
tell us whatever you want. We'll watch all of it.
And
we'll get to all of those guides. We'll get to all of the videos. All too slowly for our own good.
Yeah. We want to. It's just time is a thing.
Time exists.
Yeah.
But anyway, thank you very much for joining us, and we will see you at the next one.
Bye.